Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, I want to share a DIY project that improves safety in the home by securing open staircase. As you can see, these open stairs in our house look quite good and let in tons of natural light, instantly brightening the space. But while they look great, there can be safety concerns, especially if you have small kids or pets. In our house, we have two small dogs, and unfortunately, our older dog recently had an accident. He was sleeping on the upper part of the staircase and slipped through the open gap. He ended up losing a tooth. That incident made us realize we needed to find a way to keep our beloved pets safe without sacrificing the open, airy feel of the stairs. After a quick brainstorming session and some Googling, I came up with a simple yet effective solution with a steel crossbar mounted under each stair tread, held by two holders around the midpoint of the stair riser. This keeps the stairs mostly open for light to pass through while adding a protective barrier to keep our dogs safe. I purchased 16 steel crossbars cut to my required length on eBay, along with 32 steel holders. Because the mounting screws provided with the holders were slightly too thick and might split or damage the wooden steps, I bought smaller diameter screws separately. I chose rounded steel bars and holders instead of squared ones because they were a bit more affordable, and the shape didn't really matter for us. Each bar holder is made of steel and has two hidden screws. One fixes the bar in place, and the other attaches the holder to a mounting piece, which in turn screws into the stair. To install, the hidden screw at the bottom should be unscrewed to separate the holder from its mounting piece, and the upper hidden screw that grips the bar should be loosened so the bar can slide in easily. These small screws are quite delicate, so be careful not to over-tighten them. I use a manual screwdriver with adjustable torque set to about 1 Newton meter for better control. If you don't have a torque screwdriver, a regular one will work. Just be mindful not to apply too much force. Using an automatic screwdriver can easily strip or break these screws, so I recommend avoiding power tools for this part of the job. We covered each step with masking tape to protect the wood and used a triangle ruler to ensure consistent positioning. On the tape, I marked symmetrical points with a pencil for the pilot holes. Drilling pilot holes helps prevent wood damage when driving in the screws, resulting in a precise and clean installation. To make the holes, I used a 2mm drill bit and a compact low-power drill. I also attached a depth stop to the bit to avoid drilling too deeply. After drilling, I secured each mounting piece to the step with the smaller wood screws, making sure each one was firmly in place. Overall, the entire process took about an hour, resulting in symmetrically and precisely mounted holders. Installing the holder onto the mount is a straightforward process, and having an extra pair of hands is extremely helpful. I attach the holders to the crossbar with the hidden screws facing the steps, ensuring they aren't visible from the room. Then I centered the bars and gently hand tightened the holding screws. After a few hours, our staircase became much safer for our dogs. Our younger dog requires some supervision for now, but as she grows, I'm confident this barrier will provide the safety and protection they both need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.